You've seen them 1,000 times. Flat, lifeless slabs of pavement, tucked behind gas stations, squeezed between buildings, and scattered across cities like they don't matter. But some of these empty lots? They quietly make more money than retail stores, apartment units, or even restaurants. No staff, no construction, no buildings at all. In the right city, a single surface lot can generate over $500,000 a year in cash flow, just by sitting there. Today on Industrial Secrets, we're breaking down how parking lots became one of the most profitable, overlooked real estate businesses in the world, and why smart investors are snapping them up before anyone else notices. A parking lot doesn't look like much. There's no plumbing, no HVAC, no elevators or leases. It's just paint and pavement. But put one in a decent location, and each space starts printing cash. In most cities, a single spot can rent for $10 to $40 per day. Commuters pay $200 to $500 per month for reserved spaces. And during big events, concerts, games, festivals, that number can spike to $50, $75, even $100 a day per car. Multiply that across 20 to 50 spots, and suddenly this dead-looking slab of concrete is generating tens of thousands of dollars every month. And here's the kicker. Operating costs are dirt cheap. At most, it's 15 to 20% of revenue. That's it. No tenants to manage, no broken toilets, no property managers on speed dial, just lines on asphalt, and a system that charges people to sit still. So, who's really making the money? It's not who you think. You'd assume most parking is city-owned, but in reality, huge chunks of the industry are run by private operators. Some of the biggest players? Companies you've probably never heard of. SP Plus runs lots across more than 350 US cities. LAZ Parking controls over 1.2 million spaces nationwide. But these giants don't usually own the land. They lease it. They manage it. They extract profit from it. Sometimes they rent underused church lots. Other times, they cut deals with hospitals, shopping centers, or apartment buildings. To them, any space that isn't earning money is a business opportunity waiting to be activated. Modern parking lots are not passive. They're optimized. Most are equipped with plate readers, smart cameras, and mobile payment apps. Every second, they're tracking when cars enter and leave, which spots fill first, what time demand spikes, how long each car stays. Then they use that data to adjust prices in real time. Downtown lunch rush? Price goes up. Empty at 3 p.m.? Drop it and fill the lot. Concert next door? Max rates, automatically. The whole thing runs on code. What looks like a static lot is actually a dynamic pricing engine, making micro decisions 24/7 to squeeze every last dollar from the pavement. This isn't just a big player game. Small-time investors are cash flowing from parking lots every day, without ever building a thing. Some buy underused land in crowded neighborhoods, pave it, stripe it, and start charging per hour. Others lease extra space behind commercial buildings and install their own payment systems. In cities where zoning is tight, some investors flip parking permits, changing the legal use of land, then selling it to operators for huge markups. And now there are platforms that let you invest in parking lots fractionally, just like you would with a rental property or a right. In other words, this isn't out of reach. It's already happening. Here's the twist. Parking demand isn't going away. It's evolving. Smart operators are already converting basic lots into high-tech assets. They're adding EV charging stations, solar panels, food truck zones, pop-up events, even staging areas for autonomous delivery fleets. Some are layering in Wi-Fi, cameras, and environmental sensors, turning their lots into infrastructure for smart cities. Because the truth is, any flat piece of land in a dense area is valuable, even if no one sees it yet. So the next time you pass an empty lot, ask yourself, is it just dead space or a six-figure business hiding in plain sight? Because while everyone's chasing luxury condos, crypto coins, or the next big app, there's still quiet money being made right under your tires. Subscribe to Industrial Secrets, and we'll show you how the world really makes money.